Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recharge your account in Amazon Prime. Let's start. So, recharging just basically means how to fund your account so you can still continue to enjoy your streaming or anything that you would want to do on your Amazon Prime Video. So, it's just pretty simple. All you need to do is just you need to go to account and settings, and then so just need to log in first. So most of the time they would actually ask you to log in once you go to your account and settings, and then you just need to go to this page, and then you see here Prime membership. Just click on edit on Amazon. Okay, so once you're there, I just need to go down or scroll down just to hide some of my information. So um there is actually an option for you to choose what subscriptions you would be on. So if you click on this one right here on Prime Plan, so you can choose which particular subscription that you want to recharge your account with. Actually, some people would choose Amazon Prime over Netflix is because they are less expensive compared to Netflix. So but pretty much they have the same objective to have the same in terms of quality of videos or content, and they both have invested so much on having to have their own content or their own shows, and the quality of their movies and series are just amazing. So going back, so once you've already decided on how you would recharge your account, all you need to do is just choose which payment options that you'd like to have. So credit cards are accepted, debit cards accepted as well. If you have Amazon voucher or cards like this one, you could just actually enter a code and apply. So that's basically how just going to recharge your account. Okay. And then if you want to learn more about Amazon Prime, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.